Imagine a hypercar that redefines luxury and performance, the Rimac Nevera GT. With a staggering 1,914 horsepower and 1,740 lb-ft of torque, it rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 1.85 seconds, reaching a top speed of 258 mph. This limited edition Grand Tourer features a carbon fiber monocoque and active aerodynamics, blending cutting-edge technology with opulent comfort. The GT variant boasts a comfort-tuned suspension and an impressive 450-mile range. Only 21 units will be crafted, each priced at $3.8 million, offering bespoke customization. Plus, its AI-assisted driving adapts to road conditions, ensuring unmatched stability with torque vectoring and all-wheel drive. And that crystal silver paint? It glows under UV light, making it a true masterpiece on wheels.